Introducing Haier's fully automatic smart front-load washing machine. Aims to serve consumers with constant innovation and identify the unaddressed requirements. 959 series offers a leading technology of a direct motion motor with lifetime warranty, lesser noise and lesser vibrations, and performing big silently. Ingenious 525 drum diameter provides bigger and better tumble wash. Puri Steam, constant high temperature kills bacteria and mites. ABT eliminates bacteria by 99.9%. Dual Spray removes excessive lint and foam. Refresh dry washing technique keeps expensive garments just like new. Haier's smart front-load washing machine is also future-ready. Enjoy a washing experience, hassle-free, more clean, more stretch, more efficient. Haier's fully automatic smart front-load washing machine, 959 series. Think big, own bigger.